Nobody would take the great risk of bungee jumping to overcome a fear of heights. This is a question I had no answer to. That was until I met a young man by the name of Jordan Souls. Jordan Souls is an all-around great person. He is a man with great goals and aspirations in life, yet a humble beginning. Jordan was born and raised in Camden, New Jersey. Since his parents are divorced, he lives only with his mother. His mother is a lawyer, and his father is employed with the Army. He has one half-brother who lives in Las Vegas, Nevada. Jordan, like most young men, grew up interested in sports. He doesn't play any, but is an avid follower of baseball, basketball, and football. He is allergic to cats but loves dogs. He also enjoys listening to music, playing video games, and partying. When he is not having fun, he is striving to better his future at JCSU University. His inspirations come from his parents, as well as other successful African Americans that he grew up around and that lived in his surrounding neighborhood. Like many college students, Jordan has set goals for himself. After graduating with his bachelor's degree in management, he would like to further his education by attaining his master's degree in marketing. He plans to attend Rutgers University, which is a prestigious school, to complete this task. Prior to his master's, he would like to be a creative director for the company Nike, which we all know is a big company. With this career in hand, Jordan would like to own his own house by the age of 25, as well as have children by the age of 30. He would like to travel to Africa on vacation as well. His overall goal is to make his first $1 million by the age of 32, which is a wonderful goal. This he strives for every single day at Johnson C. Smith. He wants to make his parents proud. He is one of the most determined young men I've ever met and a good friend as well, and I think we should all get to know Jordan Souls.